Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to show you an awareness video of how a 3 kilowatt solar power plant will be installed by the vendor. Now you can see here all the material is brought down and it is shifted to the fourth floor. Okay, so this is an Tata solar power plant of 590 watts of technology mono PERC, which are the latest technology in all the available technology. And you can see here how the vendor are moving the solar panels from ground floor to the top floor with the help of ropes. Okay, so you should be very careful at this event. Why? Because the panels has to reach safe. Why? Because the cost of each panel is around 33,000. Okay, now coming to the material will reach to the fourth floor, and here you can see here you are going to have the vertical structures. These are the four vertical structures, and to this vertical structure are maintained at a height of one is at 6 feet and another is of 4 feet. You can see here the workers are doing the anchoring work, and the top end is of 6 feet and the bottom one is of 5 feet, and the inclination is 15 degrees. And this structure will get ready in 5 minutes. Now let us try to see what we are going to do further. So after the structure gets completed, all the solar panels which are bought from the ground floor are kept on the structure and get bolted with stainless steel bolt. So here you can see here the location or the altitude where we are performing the recording of the video, and you can see here the solar panels are carefully brought to the fourth floor and the installation is going on. Okay, so the care is taken by because the sharp edges are there, and we are also very careful by because it is of high height. And you can see here the panels are of Tata make. You can verify the original with the help of a QR code scanner. So here you can see how we are verifying whether it is good or not. So when you search in Google search, then it will show the batch number and how it is made by Tata. This is nothing but the lot number or the batch number where the manufacture has been happened. And these are of 6 panel. Output of one panel is connected. Second panel is connected to the third panel input, and output of the third panel is connected to the fourth panel input, and output of the fourth panel is connected to the fifth panel input, and all these are connected in series. Fifth panel output is connected to the sixth panel input, and all the 6 panels are connected in series, and you can bring all this to the ground grid connected inverter. And here the one more point you have to remember is this is called the DC earthing. Okay, this DC earthing also should connect to the inverter base bottom. Okay, and the next, the topmost, what you have to do is lightning arrestor. Here you can see the lightning arrestor. So this is made up of an 5 feet copper rod with a sharp end at the top, and this has to be insulated with a plastic structure, and it should be fixed to the wall with the help of clamps. And here you can see here the DC cabling is running, as well as the lightning arrestor cable is separately run with the help of conduit pipes. Okay, so this is how generally the installation process. So you may ask how the installation process. This is the process. After coming down here, we are going to have DC distribution box and an grid connected inverter. And here you can see here all the cables are of made up of havels and as well as poly cap, and this is nothing but the MC4 connector. How to clip? You have to clip on the two sides, and you have to clip with the center, and automatically have to connect to the MC4 connector. So after connecting to the MC4, we have to connect to our inverter, and this is nothing but AC distribution box. After the output of AC distribution box, and the black color you can see here, which is an contractor. So this black colored one is nothing but SPD. This is nothing but inverter, and this is nothing but AC distribution box. And the right side is nothing but an Wi-Fi dongle where you can observe. Okay, so all the connections are given as per the diagram what is powered by the government. So this black colored box, which is done by the vendor, is nothing but a contractor which is used to isolate the supply. After completing the works, we are going to have 5 feet copper rods, and these copper rods has to be inserted into the earth. Okay, so therefore you have to dig an hole. Here you can see the quality of copper, and now three separate holes are digged. One is for DC earthing, one is for AC earthing, one is directly for lightning arrestor earthing. Okay, and we have to keep the earth composite powder, and we have to fill it with the earth composite, and we have to cover it with the leads. Thank you for watching.